Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Yashvir Gaming. Well, if you're new to the channel, guys, I would like to kill my and smash that little subscribe button and also to ring that bell notification, okay? So without any further ado, guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you're going to connect your Nintendo Switch Lite with this, how we're going to connect the Ethernet cable, okay? This type of cable, which is an RJ45, okay? But there's no, as you can see, there's no port. Alright, so many of you are wondering how we can do this. Is we're gonna use a special converter, special adapter, which is called this a USB-C to this port RJ45. Okay, so first, what you wanna do, here it is. Here's the adapter that you will need. Alright, the adapter looks something like this. Okay, so this right here is a USB-C. The USB-C will go right here underneath. Okay, and this one you're gonna connect this. All right, just like that. Next, you wanna go to settings. And then go to internet connection. Right there, we're gonna go to internet settings. And we're gonna see right here, it is currently searching. And as you can see, it is stated right here, registered as wired connection. Okay, this connect to the internet via wired connection. Okay, as you can see, successfully connected. Now I'm gonna back out, so let's test the connection. Okay, as you can see, I got success. We are testing the NAT type, okay, the NAT type, and download and upload speed. Okay, and don't worry, I'm gonna leave links down below in the video description for you to buy this Ethernet adapter.